just made a bale. As you can see. Pretty nice looking bales. And that round baler, it's pretty old. I don't know what particular year it is, but it's a 54G Vermeer, and the tractor is a 3020 diesel, so that's the setup. Got another bale.